Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can send payments from a Novo Bank account. So let's get started. If you want to pay vendors, contractors, or transfer money to another bank, Novo makes it pretty simple with ACH payments and other options. The most common way is using an ACH transfer, which is usually free and takes about 1 to 3 business days to complete. First, log into your Novo account using the web app or mobile app. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Send Money or Move Money section. This is where all outgoing payments are managed. Next, click on Make a U.S. payment. Now you'll need to choose a recipient. If you've already added a payee before, just select them from your list. If not, click on Add Payee and enter their details, including their name, bank account number, routing number, and account type. Make sure everything is correct because incorrect details can delay or fail the payment. After selecting the payee, choose the delivery speed. Novo usually offers standard ACH, which is free, and sometimes faster options like Express ACH for quicker delivery with a small fee. Now, enter the amount you want to send and click on Review Payment. Double-check all the details on the confirmation screen, including the recipient and amount. Once everything looks good, confirm the payment. You may be asked to enter a security code or complete a quick verification step to approve the transfer. After confirmation, your payment will be processed. Standard ACH transfers typically take 2 to 3 business days, depending on timing and bank processing schedules. Also, keep in mind that Novo does not support direct outgoing wire transfers, but you can use third-party integrations like Wise if you need to send wires. And that's it. That's how you can send payments from a Novo bank account quickly and safely. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.